Hello, this is Chris back again with another video. Today we're going to look at the Parrot Bebop 2 and see how we can improve this. So for the Bebop 2, I plan on taking this red tape off, and in doing so I'm going to try to do it so I don't tear it or anything, so I can just glue it back on when I want to put it back on. But this 37mm lens that, you know, is pretty much universal, it can fit on a lot of different cameras, will just slide over the camera here. Is just going to be like, and then it has a cap on it. So I'm really curious if I'm going to have the same field of view. Probably not. You know, flying into the sun, it won't be so overexposed. That's the main thing that I have problems with this drone. If you're not facing the sun, everything's cool, but if you're facing it, yeah, it's just like, you know, pure whiteness, like you're going to heaven or something like that. And I've tried, you know, moving the bar back and forth to change the exposure, but that doesn't really help much. So anyway, it should provide some protection too. If you're gonna run into something, you know, loses connection. It's done that before. Anyway, let's try this lens cap, and then hopefully it's gonna be a nice sunny day tomorrow, and I will test her out. So I just started taking this off with these little pinchers here, and yeah, so it's just like that, and you can just glue it back on. And let me open up the lens cap here and see if it fits. Boom, you have a little lens cap on it, right? And then like so, right? It's pretty self-explanatory, and it fits. It's gonna fit perfectly. I know it. Wow, easy peasy. So hopefully I have the same, you know, frame of view. I might see a little bit of the rim there, but at least I have protection. I don't have to deal with that rubber band thing. And there you go. And I'm wondering, since they're basically the same camera, I probably can do this for the Bebop 2 as well. So I'm going to use Mobizen here, and the Parrot Bebop as my camera. So let's just take off, and hopefully we don't kill the cat. Alright, so let's see if we can see the lens cap. No, we don't. A little bit, right? You can see it up top there, just a tad, but I mean, not really. Let's look down. Okay, that's all the way down. Alright, so we see it a little bit. Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah, it wasn't a sunny day or anything, so I couldn't really test the Parrot Bebop 2 out in the sun. But I do plan to 3D print a sunshade for the Bebop 1. I did find some on Thingiverse, so stay tuned for the next video about that. Please like, subscribe, comment, and more videos to come.